Welcome to One India News Hour. Artificial intelligence is fueling the industrial growth as the business driver. Today, implementing artificial intelligence is essential to better serving customers and unlocking new business value. 50% of Indian enterprises will invest in employee retaining and development to address new skill needs and ways of working resulting from AI adoption by 2024. We have to accept the fact that in an AI-fueled organization, a company may need to fundamentally rethink the way humans and machines interact within working environments. Executives should also consider deploying machine learning and other cognitive tools systematically across every core business process and enterprise operation to support data-driven decision-making. Likewise, AI could drive new offerings and business models. The emergence of AI and other cognitive technologies has growing potential in this disruptive world. When we are slicing and dicing the industry, we found out that there is a high level of AI being used in the marketing by most of the social media companies. AI in marketing is a way of offering customers a digital and personalized consumer experience. The content is tailored to consumer needs, offers better segmentation, and builds relationships with consumers on their terms. As the number of marketers and customers aware of the opportunities offered by AI in the coming days, we can expect it to become more frequently used in sales. AI is expected to be an essential business driver across the industry, with 77% of respondents anticipating AI to possess high or very high overall importance to their businesses in the next 2 years. AI is commonly and narrowly seen as a way to cut costs by automating manual and knowledge works. Digital transformation has been a decisive issue for businesses for several years now, especially when it comes to dealing with their customers. There is no question about it, transformation and adoption are inevitable, and the financial sector is no exception. The recent Infotech Forum took a deep dive into the industry-leading tools, techniques, strategies, and best practices to transform AI theory into reality. Let's look into today's headlines in Var India. China has no intention to fight either Cold War or Hot War with any country, says Xi Jinping. Chinese President Xi Jinping on Tuesday said that China has no intention of entering a Cold War or Hot War with any countries. While addressing the United Nations General Assembly via video conferencing, Jinping said China is the largest developing country in the world and is committed to peaceful, open, cooperative and common developments. Is Bill Gates making $200 billion from vaccines? Bill Gates admitted he is making $200 billion from investments made by his charitable foundation, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, in vaccines. Gates was discussing the economic upside of $10 billion investment by his foundation in the video that otherwise is misleading, AFP fact-check reported. During the interview with the news channel, Gates hadn't mentioned his personal gain. Harley-Davidson to discontinue business in India. Harley-Davidson stated it is discontinuing sales and manufacturing operations in the country. Automobile dealer body FADA on Friday said the closure of Harley-Davidson's operations in India would lead to job loss for up to 2,000 workers across the brand's 35 dealerships. The American cult bike maker would also lead to a loss of up to Rs 130 crores for the brand's dealer partners in the country. Finance Minister denies CAG's allegations of diversion of funds. The days after CAG brings the report of the government for short crediting Rs 47,272 crores of compensation due to states, the Ministry of Finance has denied allegations of diversion of funds, saying the time taken in the reconciliation of compensation receipt cannot be termed as diversion. It added that the temporary retention was only to reconcile the compensation receipts and that all dues for the 2 years were paid to states fully. CAIT's e-commerce portal to be operational in October. CAIT will finally be launching its own e-commerce portal, Bharat eMarket, in October, and it has urged Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal to set up a regulatory authority along with the upcoming e-commerce policy for regulating and monitoring e-commerce business and having adequate powers to penalize offenders of e-commerce policy. This move is against the policy of Amazon and Flipkart. The marketplace will compete with incumbent players, that is JioMart, Amazon, Flipkart, BigBasket and Grofers. Vodafone Idea to upgrade the users from 3G to 4G in a phased manner. Vodafone Idea Limited, that is V, will upgrade its existing 3G customers across all markets to 4G network in a phased manner to provide faster data speeds and services using V GigaNet technology. The company will continue to offer basic voice services to its 2G users. The company's enterprise customers currently using 3G based services will be upgraded to 4G and 4G based IoT applications and services. Paytm Mall loss for the year 2020 down to Rs 479 crores. Paytm Mall said its loss narrowed by 60% to Rs 479 crores in 2019 and 20 on account of reduction in assortment size, cashback and promotions. During the last fiscal year, we have streamlined business operations to improve our unit economics, which has helped us in reducing losses by 60%, said Abhishek Rajan, Paytm Mall COO, in a statement. A coffee maker can also demand a ransom if it is connected to IoT. If your Wi-Fi network is connected to your kitchen appliance, there are chances it can be hacked, as the kitchen appliance maker to be are well smarter than companies selling conventional appliances. A researcher found that the pan test partners found that they could recover a Wi-Fi encryption key used in the first version of the smarter iKettle. Mobile phones of Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, others seized in drugs case. Mobile phones of actors Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Rakulpreet Singh are among those seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau in a probe for the allegations in connection with the drugs abuse. Ms. Padukone was questioned for 6 hours on Saturday by the Narcotics Control Bureau in Mumbai. She was summoned along with actors Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. Nokia unveils AI-powered quad camera and 6.55-inch screen. Nokia recently launched 5.3 smartphone features AI-powered quad camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, a 6.55-inch screen and comes with 2-day battery life. The company said the smartphone is built for speed and refined for play and is designed to honor its Nordic design heritage. Nokia 5.3 has 2 years of software upgrades and 3 years of security updates. COVID update. The number of positive coronavirus cases reported from India now stands at 60,73,678 and the death toll from the disease stands at 95,605. To conclude, as many as 70% of the customers argue that the trouble-free transfer of the affairs between individual channels and departments, as well as adapting the actions taken from previous interactions, is very important to convince and trust a given brand. That is why the majority of customers, that is 62%, declare that they are open to companies that use AI, which can significantly improve these processes and thus increase the level of service. As per IDC, the financial sector is perfectly aware of the importance of digital transformation. So, this should allow the industry to improve the quality of existing products, services and processes, but also to reduce costs. Secondly, AI and predictive analytics allow marketers to accurately identify the best target group. The process is faster and more accurate. It can also help identify new segments of this group that are characterized by the same attributes. This approach allows customers to present a more individualized offer to customers, thereby creating a unique personal bond that would be difficult to achieve without AI. AI can also help in determining the actions that clients from individual segments can take after receiving the message in intent for them, and it can be a powerful level to help accomplish what's important, from developing new revenue streams to creating measurable efficiencies in core processes. No matter where the AI journey will proceed, it will create a meaningful business impact in the coming days. So let's wind up for the day. But do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.